Hello boys and girls. Welcome to Storytime with Auntie Stacy. I'm Auntie Stacy. I'm so glad you came to read with me. The story I'm going to read for you today is called Fifi and Teddy. Fifi has loved Teddy since she was a baby. Fifi eats with Teddy. Fifi plays with Teddy. Fifi takes Teddy wherever she goes. And they curl up together every night. Fifi knows she cannot take Teddy to school. So every morning she leaves Teddy on her bed. One day, when she comes back from school, Teddy is not there. She looks under the covers. Teddy is not there. She looks under the bed. Teddy is not there. She looks out of her window. Teddy is not there. What's wrong, Fifi? Asks Mom. Teddy's missing, she cries. No, darling. Teddy just had a bath. There you are, Teddy. I love you, Teddy. This is the end of the story. What was your favorite part of the story? If you enjoyed the story, ask a grown-up to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with all of your cousins and friends. See you next time.